Hi guys, welcome to Northwest Michigan hunting and fishing. Well, we're about a week and a half out from rifle season, so I decided to show you the things I carry when I'm out rifle hunting. Well, first just get the clothing. First you're going to need a blaze orange jacket, real warm, real nice, real soft, so you don't make noise when you're moving around. Second, I carry a pair of pants, outer pants, warm, soft, smooth, don't make a whole lot of noise. In the state of Michigan, 90% of your body has to be covered in blaze orange or hunter's safety orange. I carry 2 pairs of gloves. This is 1 pair. Then, if my hands get real cold, I put on my nice warm wool gloves. I carry another pair of wool gloves. I carry 2 hats, 1 orange, 1 black. You know, just in case one gets wet, you can change into a dry one. I carry 2 different bibbies with me. I carry this camel one, which I will put on first, and then I will put on this blaze orange one around my face. Help keep the cold off your neck. I carry some Tink's Vanish odor eliminator. Works real well. Let's get down. That's basically clothing. So start on my pack stuff. I carry some Code Red buck urine and some doe essence because the rut is starting to start here in Michigan. I carry a handful of rubber gloves so when I go to gut my deer I don't get all bloody and get it all over my clothes. I carry some paracord. You never know when you're going to need that. Carry a deer harness for pulling my deer out of the woods. I carry a bone saw for cutting the pelvis. I carry this Mossberg Skinner's knife with a gut hook. Fits nicely in your hand when you're gutting your deer. Also I carry my Mora, which as you can see is been very well used this summer. Carry a pair of binoculars. These are only 8x21. But they get the job done for looking across fields when I'm stalking. I carry a knife sharpener because you never know when your knife's going to go dull, especially when you're trying to gut a deer. For added comfort, I carry hand warmers. I carry some wind chaser so I can keep my eye on my winds. And I carry a engineer's compass just in case I have to go off and track a deer in the middle of the dark. I know exactly where I'm going and how to get out. I carry 2 seat warmers, and then this here is my pack, which is really cool. The chair is right exactly connected to it. Inside pocket, an outside pocket, got a nice pocket right here. Not real fancy, but it gets the job done. The second thing is, I guess we'll go to ammo. I carry 1 full box of Federal 30-06 shells, 180 grain. Brand new box. Love it. Let's get down to the business end. This is my gun. This is a 30-06 Remington Woodmaster 740. And this is a 6x6 scope. All I need really to shoot a deer. Great gun. Carries 5 shells, 4 in the clip, 1 in the chamber. This gun is really old. I'll give you a little history on this gun. This was my mother's father's gun, and then my mother had it, and then my mother gave it to me. So it was kind of passed on. It's a pretty nice gun for how old it is. Here's a clip. Original clip, if you can't tell. 4 shells. That's all it holds. And then 1 in the chamber. Semi-auto. So that's everything I carry during rifle season. So I hope you guys enjoy my videos. Please like, subscribe, and leave some comments down below. That'd be really great. I'll take it easy, guys, and good luck.